Welcome back to my channel Techno Trend Zone. The Canon EOS R4 is generating immense buzz in the photography world, sparking rumors, speculation, and excitement among professionals and enthusiasts alike. Positioned as a mid-range mirrorless camera, it is expected to slot between the Canon R6 Mark II and the anticipated R52. With cutting-edge technology and new features, this could be the game-changer we've been waiting for. So let's dive into everything we know about the Canon EOS R4 and explore whether it's set to redefine the mirrorless camera market. High-resolution sensor and processing power. One of the most talked-about aspects of the EOS R4 is its rumored 40-megapixel full-frame stacked CMOS sensor. This is a significant leap forward, especially for sports, action, and wildlife photographers who demand high-resolution images with ultra-fast readout speeds. The sensor is expected to be paired with Canon's latest Digic X Plus processor, promising faster autofocus, enhanced dynamic range, and reduced noise in low-light conditions. If these leaks hold, the EOS R4 could set new standards in mirrorless camera performance. Cutting-edge autofocus technology. Autofocus is a crucial aspect of any camera, and Canon is rumored to introduce an advanced quad-pixel autofocus system in the R4. This evolution of Canon's renowned dual-pixel AF would offer superior subject tracking, even in challenging lighting conditions. Improved low-light autofocus would be a major advantage for night photographers and videographers. Canon has been refining its autofocus systems for years, and the EOS R4 could represent the next breakthrough in AI-driven subject recognition and tracking. Advanced image stabilization. For those who love shooting handheld, the EOS R4 is rumored to feature up to 9 stops of in-body image stabilization. This would be an absolute game-changer, allowing photographers and videographers to capture ultra-smooth footage and crisp stills without a tripod. Whether you're shooting long exposures in low light or recording high-quality video, the enhanced IBIS could dramatically improve creative possibilities. Video capabilities that rival professional cinema cameras. Canon has been making strides in video technology, and the EOS R4 is expected to continue that trend. According to leaks, the camera will support 8K video recording at 60 frames per second, along with 4K oversampling for superior video quality. Canon is also rumored to be improving heat management to prevent the overheating issues seen in previous models. Additionally, features like 10-bit color depth and Canon Log 3 could make this camera an ideal choice for filmmakers and content creators looking for a hybrid solution. Redesigned body and enhanced usability. Ergonomics play a vital role in user experience, and the EOS R4 is expected to take cues from the Canon R5 while introducing some refinements. Leaks suggest a larger grip for better handling, a fully articulating touchscreen, and an improved button layout for intuitive controls. The camera will likely feature dual card slots, supporting both CF Express and SD cards, ensuring fast write speeds and ample storage options. Additionally, Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth 5.2 could enhance wireless connectivity for seamless image transfer and remote shooting. Positioning and market competition. The Canon EOS R4 is expected to be a bridge between the R6 Mark II and the upcoming R52, appealing to semi-professionals and enthusiasts who want high-end performance without the flagship price tag. It will likely compete against Sony's A7RV and Nikon's Z8, both of which have set high standards in the mirrorless camera space. If Canon delivers on the rumored specifications, the EOS R4 could be a serious contender in this highly competitive segment. Potential release date and pricing. While Canon has yet to confirm an official release date, industry speculation points to a 2025 launch. Given its rumored specs, the EOS R4 is expected to be priced between $3,500 and $4,500, positioning it as a premium mid-range offering. With a stacked sensor, advanced autofocus, and professional-grade video features, it could be worth every penny for photographers and videographers looking to upgrade their gear. Final thoughts. Canon is making big moves in the mirrorless camera space, and the upcoming EOS R4 and EOS R1X could be pivotal releases. The EOS R4 is shaping up to be a powerful mid-range option with advanced autofocus, impressive video capabilities, and a refined design. Meanwhile, the EOS R1X could redefine professional photography with its ultra-high-resolution sensor, global shutter, and unmatched performance. What are your thoughts on these upcoming Canon cameras? Are you excited about the EOS R4? Or are you more interested in the EOS R1X? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Techno Trend Zone, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on the latest camera news and rumors.